Hi, welcome back to my channel. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland. I have my front door open and the sun's going to be coming in through the front door here in a little bit, and if you hear any noise it's probably from the freeway, which is a couple of miles away, but it's a cool crisp morning and the noise seemed to be traveling pretty well right now. But anyways, this is an after the pin flip through of my Happy Planner and my Hobonichis, and we'll start with my Happy Planner. This is the, if you didn't know, a collaboration between Disney and the Happy Planner. This is my everyday, I guess, planner. This is for last week. I've tried doing pretty planning, and I've watched a lot of videos, and I just can't seem to make it click in my head. So this is my version of planning. I'm very functional. I don't really mind the white space, even though I am trying to use up all the stickers that I own. So this is the week before, and then the week before that, and the week before that. So this is the first week of March, and this is where I try to go with the princess theme, and then I need to use my other stickers, and so as you can see it got meshed in with I think this is Sweet Kawaii Design, and then this is the Happy Planner stickers. This is my own stickers that I made. So that is what this looks like, and this is again my everyday planner. Next, let's go with my Hobonichi cousin. He is in this bag from Daiso. I am using the Cookie Monster A5, so that's what he looks like. This is supposed to be my Hobonichi Challenge Daily Doodle, but I am still not feeling well. I'm still recovering, healing, and it's been a real slow recovery, and I just haven't really been in the mood to really want to keep up with the doodling in the back on the daily pages. So instead I will show you what I did for the past in the weekly pages. I own a lot of page flags that I bought from Daiso, and which my sister also bought for me, and so I decided to use them like this. This is also from Daiso. This is from the Happy Planner Disney sticker books, Disney sticker book, and so this is what I've done. For a while, I think earlier this year and even last year, I would break it down so I can see what I did at a certain time, and that was just a little too much for me. So instead I just decided to do write down what I did, not necessarily at the time that I did it. So this is for last week. I didn't do anything the week before to keep track of. I had good intentions to start, but didn't do anything here. And I don't think I did anything the week before that. So this is my cousin. I love these stick girls. These are from the Happy Planner sticker book. So that's my cousin. Let's go to my A6 Hobonichi. I am also keeping it in a little Daiso bag. Cost me $1.50. And in here, let's put that bag over there of Mickey, I have Elmo. This is my daily diary. I keep this by my bed. And in case you're wondering, they're still soft because they're inside the covers, inside the bags. So this is my daily diary, and in the monthly pages is my gratitude. So this is for March. I haven't had a chance to decorate it, so I'm going to try and do that before April in 3 days. Put washi down, but this is either my daily gratitude or something that I am like the highlight of the day. This is for February and January, and I don't think I did anything for December. Yeah, so December is blank. So this is my gratitude highlight of the day. That's Elmo. In this A6 cover, this bag also purchased from Daiso. In here is my boy dog zipped cover. I really, really love this cover. It's so pretty. And I keep it in here because I do have a dog, Bruce, and an occasional visit from the neighborhood cat. And so their fur managed to still get in here. This was meant before COVID, during COVID. My plan was to try and sketch more and draw more outside. So this was going to be the one that I would take with me to doodle and draw and do whatever I wanted to sketch when I was outside. There's a Mickey clip. I don't know if you can see that. So I haven't been able to go out much, as I'm sure a lot of us probably couldn't. So instead I just decided to doodle things that I was interested in. So let's go back to the beginning. If you remember, I did the lava. This was the Ronin. Was it the 47 Ronin? I can't remember now. But the Ronin. For a while I was on a kick about that and the history of them. This was meant to be, excuse me, my, I wanted to kind of populate the page with a bunch of little animals that I like. And so the only thing I added, I need to paint this one. This is a yellow albino, I think it's a king penguin that somebody took a photo of. And that's supposed to be a cute little, it's known as the world's, it's not the friendliest, but it's somebody that you want to take a selfie with. A little wallaby. But so once I fill this up, I think I'm going to go ahead and then watercolor it in. Let's see, sorry. Yeah, I can get to the next page. And then this is supposed to be I'm not going to even pronounce it, but it is supposed to be an antelope with a very long neck, very similar to a giraffe, and it can stand on its hind legs to be able to eat. So I thought that was pretty cool. The males have horns, the female doesn't. So there's that little koala thing that I try to draw, but it's considered a wallaby. It's the world's happiest animal, but I also heard they're not vicious, but they're not something you can go up and pet. But John Wells either posted it or he took the photo. I couldn't really tell from the photograph that I took from the article, but he took a picture and it looked like this. So this is the picture frame, and it looked like this little wallaby was holding the camera lens, and so this was my version of it. And then in the background was supposed to be like a beach with palm trees and stuff, which I don't know if I'm going to try to sketch in. This is supposed to be the albino king penguin that a photographer, I can't pronounce his first name, but his last name is Adams, that he took, I think in 2018 or 2019. And he just recently posted the photo because he took a lot of photos during this trip. And anyway, so this is supposed to be a yellow albino king penguin. It was beautiful. Not my drawing, but the original photo. So I wanted to put him in here. And that's it. I don't pay attention to the dates. I don't want to cover it in the sense of like with washi tape or anything like that. But if I can incorporate that into my drawing where I can cover it that way, I will do it. Otherwise, it's there and I just ignore it. Same thing with the writing on the bottom. So this is in my A6 Hobonichi inside the boy and dog zipped cover. So that's this one. I guess we'll put him there. And the last thing I want to show you is the A6 Weekly Supplement. I house in my 5-year Hobonichi leather cover. And I also have the A6 blank notebook, which I keep my medical stuff in. I won't be showing you that, But let's get to the A6 Weekly Supplement. So this is for this week. So today's Monday, and that's what it's going to look like. Bruce has an appointment on Wednesday. This is for last week. This one, I try not to be shy with the washi tape or stickers because I want to use up what I have. I am a hoarder when it comes to the stationery stuff. So this is for last week, the week before that, and then first week of March, last week of February. So you can see I wasn't really keeping up with it. And then again, flooded it with stickers and washi. And this is an abbreviated look of what's in my daily planner. So let me put this guy under Elmo. So this is a quick look after the pin of my Hobonichis and my Happy Planner right there. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing, I guess, more after the pin flip-throughs. I am expecting, like I said, a small package from the Happy Planner. I bought the big, it's called the Big Happy Planner, and it has Mickey and Minnie on it, which I think it can hold an 8x11 paper, which is why I bought it. But when I get it, I will do a flip through of that planner. And yep, but otherwise, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.